to the step-by-step guide on how to restore deleted posts in WordPress. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to quickly and easily bring back any posts that were removed from your site. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. On the home page, look at the top right corner and click the login button. You'll see several login options. Choose Continue with Google to sign in using your Google account. Select the correct account and you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the Post section. This area contains all the content you've created for your site. The location of this section may vary slightly depending on your dashboard layout, but it's usually on the left-hand menu. Now look at the top of the Post page. You'll notice a link labeled Trash. Click it. This is where WordPress stores deleted posts temporarily, acting like a safety net in case something was removed by mistake. Inside the trash folder, review the list of deleted posts. Once you find the one you want to recover, look for the Restore option next to it. Click Restore and the post will immediately move back to your regular post list. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted post in WordPress. This simple process ensures you never lose valuable content by mistake. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials.